started. What's up, YouTube? How we doing, fellas? We're back for another day, another vlog. We got the homies out here. What's up, man?
Whatever. Just choking on water.
Here's car number 1 we're gonna be doing today. What's up, deuces?
What's up, Jake? How you doing, man?
Doing good, how are you?
Doing good. Time to go.
And here's number 2. Shit's fire. Ooh. It's about to go down. Alright guys, let's get on the road. Damn, what are those? We got to spot number 1. This is where I keep all my nonsense, but it's always like cool area, cool little spot, dope little sun.
Did you use them for Winter Jam?
Yeah, and then I like dailied them for like 2 weeks after Winter Jam, and
The man at work.
they were just so gone. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna run the stockings that I did Winter Jam.
Damn, what you got in there? Chips.
Yeah, I live out of it. I'm just kidding.
You do need some new seats though.
Bro, I want to get rid of it.
That Brabus giveaway, or whatever, however you pronounce it. Is it cold? It's fucking cold, huh?
I mean, thank God I got a Carhartt car. So fast.
Damn, where'd you get this, Devin? Toys R Us?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Holy shit, Jake.
Bro, I had to get one for like 30 bucks. What do you mean?
Damn.
Look at
That camera though. Oh, that's a tripod for sure. Spot number 2, we're at Lowe's. We're dope as fuck, yo. Mini car show. We're probably gonna get kicked out, but we're gonna be here as much as we can. We're about to get smushed through 240s. Nice. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be doing some drift prep tomorrow. Right now we're just chillaxing. We're gonna get some food in a little bit. We're gonna chill out. We're gonna drink some beers and stuff. But for now, just enjoy the ride. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do some drift prep. Stay tuned. That turd's getting some love. Yes, yes. You know what's funny is I did that in my S2K video today. The intro is gonna be that.
Oh, I'm so excited.
You'll see it over there somewhere. Down and dirty Devin. What's your favorite thing about this car?
The person who painted it for me.
Hey!
Oh, shit.
Fresh. Needs a nice fucking polish though.
It definitely needs a buff.
Cut and buff coming soon, guys. Stay tuned.
Shit.
Always dropping shit.
What are you scraping on, man? Just gas it.
Oh, damn, actually, it's not you, bro.
I ain't got clearance height for shit. We're done at this place, but it's about to go down. Check the shit out. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Like I said yesterday, we're gonna go ahead and do some drift prep today. And this thing is getting rid of the LSD. We're gonna go ahead and install a welded differential. The car's already warmed up, so let's hit the auto parts store. Which one do I want? That one. Just kidding, I think I'm gonna grab that one. Bingo. Where should I get this one? Comment below. I got the goods, so let's roll. It's backwards today. Should I done mine backwards? Thought it. Thought it. Alright fellas, we're gonna go ahead and replace this turd with a welded. Go ahead and unbolt those 6 bolts, unbolt those 6 bolts, unbolt those 4 bolts, unbolt these 4 bolts. Step 1 to being JDM as fuck, putting something on your tow hook. Step 1, check. Bingo, JDM as fuck. It's out. This turd ass thing's out. What's up guys? So we decided to wash the differentials. They were hella dirty. Yeah, we got both diffs here. We're gonna have to swap covers because who knows what this came off of. I have no idea. It's got wires, came off of Back to the Future car or something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get these welded diffs drained and filled, and yeah, we'll see you around. Just got the new cover on the diff, and we're gonna fill it, put it back in the car, and call it a day. So stay tuned. Alright guys, well, we have to cut that vlog short just because my phone died. If you guys don't know, I use my iPhone 6s as my video camera and my video editing platform. It's not going to be for very long, but I like what I'm doing, so I'm going to upgrade. You know, I'm going to get a camera. I'm going to get a better editing software. But for now, this is, you know, I'm working with what I have. So thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You know, let's keep the content flowing. You know, I need your help. You know, spread the word. Like, share, like I said, comment, subscribe. Turn that bell on. Share, you know, share to whoever. I don't know. Do whatever you like. But soon, I got things coming for you guys soon, and I hope you guys stick around to watch.